Now is available at McCarthy Cars, Range Rover Evoque 62 plate 2012, metallic grey. Car has front daylights, front parking sensors. Car has 3 parking sensors, has reversing camera, electric tailgate, has split folding rear seats. Black leather interior, it's got sides and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX. 4 electric windows, got electric and folding mirrors, Meridian, premium sound system. Car has satellite navigation, has reversing camera, push button to start, has DAB radio, 2-zone climate control, aircon, heated seats, it's automatic transmission, 2 central cup holders, multifunction steering wheel, heated steering wheel, cruise control, speed limiter. Thank you for watching.